What are the small hair-like structures that serve as a sensory function in eukaryotic cell? Letter A, plasma membrane. Letter B, centromere. Letter C, actin filaments. Or letter D, cilia. What is this? Okay, ang pinaka-hint po natin dito, hair-like structures. Sensory function, ibig sabihin, no, nakaka-guide siya sa cell para maramdaman ng cell, no, kung ano nangyayari sa kanyang paligid. Okay, so this would be your letter D is the right choice. No? So cilia, ito po yung ibig sabihin, or ito po yung itsura ng ating cilia. No? So if this is your cell, these small hair-like structures that serve as sensory function, these are called your cilia. No? So cilia po yan. Now, be very careful. No? Meron pong question sa left na may typo. Hair-like structure that aids in the digestive system for digestion. Kapag ganun po yung ating tanong, ang ating po magiging sagot ay hindi cilia, no? Aids in digestion, no? Ang ating po magiging sagot doon would be villi, V-I-L-L-I, no? Ito po yung finger-like projections sa ating digestive system, no? Alin po doon yung typo? Yung typo po doon, imbes na finger-like, no? Hair-like yung nakalagay, no? Pero basta nakita po natin na digestive system, villi po ang pinag-uusapan, no? Or pinag-uusapan, hindi po yung cilia. Okay? So sana po aware tayo dyan, no? Now, what about your plasma membrane? The plasma membrane or the cell membrane, ito po yung pinaka-boundary ng cell. Kumbaga, ito po yung pinaka-outside layer, no? Ng ating cell. So ito, no? Layer na circle dyan, that will be your plasma membrane or cell membrane. So what about your centromere? Ang centromere po ay sa chromosome natin, no? Dito, nasa gitnang bahagi ng ating chromosome, siya po yung nag-hold ng dalawang sister chromatids natin. Okay, that's the centromere. Ang actin filaments naman po natin, ito po ay bahagi ng ating cytoskeleton, the cytoskeleton of the cell, no? So, along with your other types of filaments, no? Intermediate filaments and microtubules. Okay, even sa ating muscles, meron din po tayong actin filaments.